सो हमारे पास एक डेटा सेट है क्रिकेट डेटा। इसमें आपको कंट्री मिलेगा, देन प्लेयर नेम, देन मैचेस, टोटल नंबर ऑफ मैचेस जिस प्लेयर के ने, देन टोटल इनिंग्स, हंड्रेड्स, नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स प्लेयर हैज डन एंड 50s, and number of fours, number of count of the fours as player has done and sixes also. So we have this data set and we want to show here the name of the players in uppercase. So how we use array formula with this? So to simplify the things. So basically we just write upper and then this reference, cell reference. It will do and then control enter. It will apply to the last cell of where the data is present. But here we see we have to write the same formula again and again. So to better or to optimize the formula, what we can do, we use array formula here. So to write this, we just use F2 editing mode and write array formula. Just add G. We just have to write array formula and we write the range till which we want the result output to be come. So just enter. If I show here, I have not used formula on each cell. I have just using first player name, but it has automatically taken till the down. So that's the first question which I have done. Let me show you next question. So let me unwrite. So in the next question, it was asked how many characters have in each player name. So we have to find number of characters. So just we will use substitute. So for this we will use substitute first to remove the blank spaces, and then we will count the number of characters by using then functions. So let me show you. Substitute cell reference. Oh sorry. Oh, comma. Then we will search for space, empty space, blank space, and then we remove it empty space. Enter. And just I am pressing Control D to drag down. Actually, I want to calculate the total number of characters. So what we will do after using substitute, I will use COUNTIFS len. It will be the output. So if I press Control D here after selecting, I will get the total number of characters. So I will see graphically the number of characters is B1 and KOHLI is 5, total is 6. So here you can see number of characters is 6. So without using same formula again, what can I do is I will write array formula, and in L6, after L6 I will give column and L till I want, and I will be fixing the range. So that's dollar sign coming out, and just enter. Here you see the reference error is coming because in below we have some data in it. That's why it's showing this error. So to avoid this, we will just remove the formula we have there present, and here you find that now just by using one formula, it almost coming to the down. But issue is here, my data is still 114, but it is coming down till 1000. Why? Because I have given the range till L. L, it is the last cell which I press in L1000, that is. So to avoid here 0 is coming because number of characters is 0. But to avoid this, to avoid that it will here show 0, what I will do, I just add one more functions which will check if L6 colon to L is blank, then it will show blank. Otherwise, if it has some characters, then it will calculate that. So just here I am not so just press enter. Here you will see the 0 which is coming now has disappeared. Okay, so hope you have understood. Here it's some more complicated, but if you understand the step by step, you will get to know all the things clear. Let me try third question by different. Here we have used different functions. So the question says how much runs has made by each player. So in this data set, here one player name has repeated one time. Okay, so I have to calculate number of total number of runs made by each player. So player name here and runs here as I think this should be runs. So don't go for match 75 runs on 70. It's just a sample of data to know about the functions, right? So if you want to know, basically Artpulli has given as total run 70. So I want that output to be here. So what I will do, just using VLOOKUP functions, cell reference, then going to get data, we taking as left most column and locking the cell reference. Then I will third, then 0, and enter. Here you see 70 is coming out as here. So it's correct. So if I drag down, Control D, and then I'm done. So it is coming all the way to the last. So, but I want that its formula to be one time, not to be repeated for better optimization. What I will do, I will clear this out. I will just use a function, right? I will just write array function, this array formula, and in R6, after that I will write R till R and enter. So here you will see that it's coming till down, but after that it is showing error because blank is not present in the wicket data set. So what I will do is same as we have done in here that if the number of letter is blank is 0 or is empty, then it will show blank. So same I will do here, or we can do error because it is throwing an error. So we can also do if error function to avoid this. So let me show you. After using VLOOKUP, just I will writing if error, then after VLOOKUP comma, it will show blank, and then this close, and then again close. So here you will see the error which is coming has spread away, right? So here, and the formula I am using is only one time. That is not. So that's the first. So I have done with the third formula. Let me give you one more example to clear out the things. Question says show country wise total player was present in the data set. So the data set is here. So I want India number of players present, New Zealand number of players present. So what can I do? I just use COUNTIFS functions in country column, that is A. So let me try this out. So equals to COUNTIFS is A. Then I'm fixing that. And I just writing criteria as India. Fixing W because I only want W to be fixed, not to go out of the like V or X. So that's why I want both to be increased. If I use it, that is I'm using solutions. So I will enter. We're coming out to be 34. For going down, in the last one, so I'm using control arrow, then right arrow, and then going above and pressing control D. So, okay. So to avoid repeated again formula repeating, what we will do, we will use array formula again. Array formula, and in W after W6, I use column W, right? And then after enter, it will throw an error as before because below is some values are present. That's why here you can see there is array result was not expanded because it would override data in Excel. So just like clearing down. So after clearing down, it is coming out. But here you will see again the same. After the last cell, it is coming 0 because it is not present. So, but I want to show here as blank. So what I can do is before COUNTIFS function, I use if condition, and I can do range. That is, I want that if W is to be blank. If W is blank, then it will show blank. Otherwise, if I add some characters, then it will count as right. So if W6 till W is equals to blank, then show blank. Otherwise, limit the conditions here given. This dollar sign. This parenthesis one more time. Here now we will see it is not coming. It is showing as blank. Right. So in future also some more cities has come. So if I want to see, let me take the data set. Something like UA, right? You want to see. So at last, I just press control. Here you can see I just control shift key. So it automatically calculated it automatically computed the result which we want, and we don't have to use we don't want to drag it out again if new data is coming. So it will help us. Okay, so hope so total 4 questions I have seen to give you a better picture of how to use array formula.